Today I will show you how to download and install Google Camera on your Poco M2. If someone says that my phone has a camera, then why I should install the Google Camera? So in response to that, I would say that the Google Camera works much better than the camera on your phone. I have some arguments in favor of Google Camera. Good of aspect of Google Camera: in the night mode and astrophotography mode, and with natural photography it has portrait mode. So how to download and install Google Camera? So you go to the description box and open the link. Click the downloading link and open a browser page to download the APK and install the APK, and then you download the APK file and the other file link provided in the description. You can easily open the APK. Then you can easily go to the camera setting, Google Camera setting, and pull down and you see the icon. Tap the icon and scroll down, then go to the config setting, then click on the save file text below. Then you write anything in this page. Then you back to the home screen and open file manager and all files, and you see that the Gcam file, and open the Gcam file, open the config file, and then you paste my XML file in this folder. Then again you will open the Google Camera app, then you again open the Google Camera app, then double click on either side of the camera shooter button, and you see that choose config. Then you will see choose config file, then select the XML file given by me and do OK, and restore. Then you can fully run Google Camera features on night side mode.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.